let's get started. So today I'm going to do a workshop where I would like for you guys that are on the call, or if you're watching the recording at home, you could just follow through. We're going to learn how to make sure that we are all signed up for all of the healthcare benefits at Epique. And the reason I wanted to do this, and this is just the first week that we're going to do this. We're going to tackle a different benefit that Epique has every single month. And so this is the first and the most important because it's the most used benefit that we have at Epique. Getting our healthcare set up means that if you get sick in an hour, you can call and log in, to the urgent care, request a call, and get seen by a doctor within an hour. And I see it all the time where agents think that we have this, but they haven't signed up, and then you can't do it. It takes a while to get your logins unless we rush it, which that has been done too. But why not just get it all set up? So that's what we're going to do today is walk you guys through it. So if you'll all open up I'm going to share my screen, and if you will just do what I do, oops, wrong page. We're going to log into the Epique Cloud. So I have this bookmark right here, and I'm just going to click it, and boom, I'm in the Epique Cloud. So now we are going to go over to the left, and hopefully you all logged in right here as well. You either log into the dashboard or the agent portal, but you're going to go scroll all the way down to benefits and services, and you're going to click that. Okay, is everybody with me? And I could go really fast, so I'm going to go really slow and make sure everybody is with me. Okay, so we're in benefits and services, right? Now we're going to scroll down to the third item. It says healthcare. We're going to click that. And boom, here are our healthcare options. The very first one is your free agent benefit package. So notice on mine, it says I can, and yours might say this too, I don't know, because I signed up for this and I've used it several times, saved me hundreds of dollars. One in copays, because I have insurance through my husband, but still, if I go to the doctor, I got to leave the house. I got to go pay my copay, whatever that is, $60, I think now, and then get prescriptions. And it's just a big old pain in the butt. Now, all I got to do is log in. So I want to make sure that you guys all have a login, and I'm going to go back to that. But first I want to go to the sign up. This is what I want you guys to do is go through, and you're going to start, and you're just going to go answer all of these questions and go through all of this. So open that window, and you don't have to do this right now, but just open it up. So when we end the call, you can go through and do this. And if you're watching the recording, you could just pause it. But it's really easy to just go through and answer each one of these questions. You're going to fill out all of this. Then what's going to happen is I don't know what it is now because I did this like a year and a half ago, but you're going to get an email after you go through all of this, and then you're going to get your login. So what I want to go back, I want you guys to do that later, but I want to go back to the login and show you what you do after that point. So this is it. So now I have login to my healthcare benefits.
Dawn?
Okay. Yeah, let's pause and answer any questions that you might have. Go ahead, Tara.
So I've already been in it and used it. So do I need to do that?
Nope, you don't need to do that. If you're already logged in, then you're going to be able to go right here where I am. Which this is the epichealth.com. This is the dashboard. So this is what you have after you get signed up. So if you want to go in and you want to sign up for urgent care. So Tara, let's just go back. If you've already done all of this, just go to login, and then you'll be able to see what I'm seeing. And then later on, you could go to sign up. But right now, let's just go to login, and then you're here. So if you want to switch over to their primary care, I need to do this, but I've been going to my doctor for like 15 plus years. So I really don't know that I want to switch everything over to the primary care. So if you do though, and you don't have insurance, this is phenomenal. Then go ahead and get this set up. Have that first appointment so that you can get them all of the information and they handle all of your primary care. I have used this one like twice already. The first time I used it, I got a Z pack for a sinus infection. Whew, I just got lightheaded. The second time that I used it, I got a Z pack, a steroid, and a cough suppressant because I was really sick that time. And both times my husband went and got the prescriptions, they were included, or I used the prescription card, which I'm going to talk about that here in a minute as well. So then you have all these other tabs. So once you sign up and you get your login to your email, this is where you are. If you think that you've signed up already and you don't have a login yet, but you think you went through all of this, you can always email benefits@epiquerealty.com and ask them anything. So I just did this because I had signed up for vision and dental. Let's go back. I had signed up for the dental and the vision, and that's an additional like $35 a month in order to have these, but I don't know where to go. So I just messaged Epic or benefits at epiquerealty.com and I said, how do I get to this? They'll help you figure it out if you have done it, but you're not sure where to go. So that's how you do those. But let's just go back over to this still. So behavioral health. You could go here and schedule an appointment. You need counseling for whatever it is. They have counselors for all kinds of different things. So if you just want to work on your mental health care and you're kind of depressed or whatever, like we all are, like you're not alone, first of all, like we all have these issues, probably especially women because we have hormones. And so, take advantage of this. We get 12 free behavioral health sessions per year. So that's awesome. Medication. If you have prescriptions that are regular, you can go over here and you can switch to the medication here and you can find out and sign up and they will mail these to your front door. You just have to go through and figure out if they have it, first of all. So if somebody wants to give me a medication, here, I'll just use losartan. Like I do losartan and I need to switch it over because I'm getting it through my doctor, but I already get it for free. So I really don't, all this is going to do is deliver it to my door. But let's just look for losartan. That's a blood pressure medication. Losartan. Losartan, congratulations. Your medication is included in your membership for free. Let's get your medication transferred now. There are two ways for you to do this. Have your doctor prescribe directly to us. That's the fastest method. Or transfer your prescription to us using the form below. Allow 2 to 3 weeks. So maybe when I need a refill on my losartan, I will actually just have my doctor call it in here and boom, it'll just get mailed to me. So you just got to do what's best for you. But oh, look, I do have progesterone. I have used this. So they mail this to me every 90 days. I get this through here. I forgot that I did that. Awesome. And then if you want to print out these cards, these are a discount card. So if there's a prescription that's not covered by this prescription by up here, you can print this card and you get a huge discount off of this at your doctor's office. So you can print the discount card here and print your urgent care card here if you don't want to go. I didn't even know we had this urgent care medication card. So all the details are in here and they upgrade. So, this is a different system than the last time I even logged in here. But there it is. It's all here. So now I'm logged in. All right, so that's all there. So make sure that you go and sign up so that you all have access to that. And then this is for agents who don't have insurance. If you don't have insurance and you want some of the more non telehealth stuff, learn more here. You could go here to Impact Health Sharing and you can request info, you could get a quote, or you can enroll now. What is Impact Health Sharing? All of the answers are right here. So it's going to walk you through everything so that you can get access to a little bit more of the office visits. Like it'll answer all of your questions in here. Here it is. Here's their Q&A. So you could go down here. What if you have pre-existing conditions? Just take the time and read through this if you want to have additional insurance. I don't need this because my husband works for the city and we have excellent insurance through him. And then the dental care and vision, you just go in and you walk through all of the questions. Same thing, you got to sign up. Once you sign up, then you'll get your login. And this is why I messaged benefits because I went to do login and I don't have any of this set up yet. So Epic needs to send me my login information and then I'll be able to use all of that. But once again, it shows all of the details, the resources, all of the information about that is right there inside of our Epic dashboard. All right, so same with vision. Vision and dental are lumped together. The other one I want to share with you guys today and make sure that you all have, because I have used this so many times and it has saved me so much money because I have I have furry friends. I have 2 dogs now and 3 cats. And AirVet, you can come in here and you can download this app on your phone. Once you sign up, I can access now, but all you got to do is sign up and get signed up through Epic and it's free. Now I can use this anytime. I actually have the app on my phone and everything is set up on my phone.
I do too.
Um, yeah, it's awesome. So not by your device. So this once you do this though, you'll be able to log in on your app. They will have a video. They will have an actual vet call you for an appointment. You have different sources. Tara got logged out.
Yeah, I'm logging back in.
She's
Okay.
working on it.
I'm a train wreck.
She's beautiful.
Okay.
So we got
Well,
that.
once I stop recording, we can work further on yours, Tara. No
I
worries.
got it. I know what to do.
Okay, cool. You're
I
so
got
smart.
Descriptions and stuff.
You're a smart train wreck.
I like free shit. So,
All right. So, AirVet. So just all you got to do, you can just scan that QR code, but you got to do it from your phone. So, but they will do all kinds of things. And I don't even know, I think they have discounted prescriptions through there, but I'm not really sure. So you got to log in. I need to go do that myself. I just want to show you guys how to get to this information. So go to sign up and do that. And when to use AirVet, allergies, bad breath, behavioral issues, custom plans for diet and nutrition, diarrhea and vomiting, itching and scratching, lumps and bumps, prescriptions. See, I thought that they had that in there. And I'm going to test that out because I need to get my heartworm and flea medication moved over to this if they offer a good discount. I'm going to do that. Second opinion, separation anxiety, all these different things. So it's a great app and all of the questions and everything are right on here. So what amazing benefits that we have through this. So all of that is in benefits and services, like I said before. And if you're watching this recording and you need additional help, just reach out to me personally. I could always jump on a Zoom and help you get through anything. Epic's always available as well through the benefits at epiquerealty.com. Do any of you who are on the call have any questions? Nope. All right, I am going to stop sharing right now and then I'm going to stop recording.